And welcome back. So as we made our way through the day today, we did have partly cloudy skies across the region. We did stay mainly dry. Some showers were around in our western counties. We had a slight increase in the cloud cover this evening, but the winds definitely picked up once again. So we did have that surge of warm air that usually happens ahead of a cold front. And this one was a pretty big surge of warm air. Look at the high temperatures across the region, stretching from near 90 in the Tri-Cities out toward Lincoln. You could see the cooler air just starting around North Platte, high of 76, still well above where we should be this time of year, and cooler air, 63 at Ogallala for a high today, and only at 50 for a high out toward Scottsbluff. So the really cool air continues to filter in. Lower 40s at North Platte, Broken Bow, near 30 into the Sandhills up toward Valentine, Ogallala holding at 36, and Hyannis and points off to the west, mid to upper 20s is where we are right now. There's your wind mainly from a northwesterly direction. Strong winds still persist. Sustained 20 to 40 miles per hour with gusts around 35 to 45 miles per hour. But that northwesterly wind still pumps in really cool air, a direct flow from the Arctic. So temperatures are really going to fall as we go through time. Already issued for tomorrow because of the wind. We do have a red flag warning from south and east of North Platte. North Platte itself not in the warning, but if you're traveling south and east, the warning does go from noon to 8 p.m. Central Time on your Wednesday. Now, Doppler radar showing that we did have a few sprinkles, especially into our western counties, maybe some snow showers mixing in some portions of the panhandle and into the Sandhills, but we did stay dry for most of us. This is a very strong low pressure system. Snow to the north, severe weather off to our south, and we got the wind on the backside, the cool side of the system. Our next weather maker is this high pressure system. Just like last week, it'll take a little while to get here, so we will have a lot of wind until the end of the work week. As for the severe weather, we had a tornado warning north of Lincoln, a tornado warning north of Omaha, and south of Mason City, Iowa. Other than that, looks like the tornado warnings have expired, but we have one extremely long line of severe thunderstorms, basically stretching from Minneapolis into central Kansas. They've just left the Omaha metro area right now, so they continue to move off to the east. And on the backside, a whole lot of snow from this one, stretching from central and western North Dakota all the way to east of Winnipeg. The whites on this map are 1 to 2 feet of snow from this one, so that's where all the moisture is. No real snow for us, maybe some in the higher elevations west of Denver. But that northwesterly wind is not only cool, but it's extremely dry for us. That's why we're not getting any moisture really from this system, even though we thought we could last week. So low temperatures tonight are going to be in the lower 20s, mainly clear skies, lots of sunshine for tomorrow with temperatures into the mid 40s. That's all we do for high temperatures, falling 30 degrees from today. Now, as we go through Thursday morning, near 20 once again. We're going to be a little breezy as we go through Thursday, but the sunshine should get us up to near 50 degrees. Finally, the winds die down for Friday. So that low continues to move off to the north. You can see the snow into North Dakota, the severe weather moving into the Midwest as we go tomorrow. But we still have that strong northwesterly wind for tomorrow, the breezy conditions as we go through Thursday. Finally, this high takes over. And maybe a system could give us some drizzle or maybe even some clouds over the weekend, but still, we will remain dry, but a little bit of a warm-up over the weekend. So 47 tomorrow, windy, 53 on Thursday, breezy, mostly sunny through Friday, but a high of 60, mid to upper 50, still a little cool for the weekend, partly cloudy. We'll only put a 10% chance of moisture there. Monday looks mostly sunny but cool, a high of 54. Finally, we get back to a warming trend. We'll see how warm we get by this time next week. A high of 64 for Tuesday with those windy southerly winds, but still dry, partly cloudy skies. Kent?
Yeah, certainly a big difference tomorrow in our temperature.
Yep. Unfortunately, the cool air is going to filter in.
All right. Thanks so much, Justin. Well, maybe April 12th, but that doesn't mean winter is over in North Dakota. Look at this video out of Bismarck today. The area has seen whiteout conditions as a blizzard settles in over the state. Blizzard warnings were in effect across much of the state. According to the National Weather Service, Bismarck could see as much as 2 feet of snow before the system moves out of the region on Thursday.